ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕೇಳುಗರೆ, ನೀವು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅನುಭವ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ನೈಟಿಂಗೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ರವರ ಬಾನುಲಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಯೋಜನೆಯು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬಲೀಕರಣ ಸಚಿವಾಲಯ, ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ನ ಜಂಟಿ ಯೋಜನೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿದವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್, ಈ ಯೋಜನೆಯ ತನಿಖಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಅಲೋಕ್ ವರ್ಮಾ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಯೋಜನೆಯ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರು ಸಾಯಿ ಸುಧಾ, ಪೂಜಾ ಮರುಡ, ಕೌಸಲ್ಯ. ಕೇಳುಗರೆ, ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯನ್ನು ತೆರೆದಿದೆ. ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟವರು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಹಾಯ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನೂನು ವಿಚಾರಗಳಿಗೆ, ಆಪ್ತ ಸಮಾಲೋಚನೆಗೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಇತರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯ ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 145667. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರು ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 14567. ಈ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 8ರಿಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿ 8 ತನಕ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೇಳುಗರೆ, ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿ ಬರೋಣ.
Good morning, Bangalore. Nice sunny day today, better than most days of last week. I'm your RJ Mohini, and I just wanted to relate a small incident that happened in my life yesterday. Went for a wedding and saw just ahead of me two elderly gentlemen talking to each other about their children being abroad and nobody at home, no grandchildren, no children, no one at home. Then another third elderly gentleman joined them and they said, "Now where are your children?" And he said, "One is in England and one is in the US of A." Gentleman said, "We must form a club. We people who have all the children abroad should form a club." So the last gentleman said, "Why should we form a club? We are the majority. The people who don't have the children abroad and who have people living with them, children living with them, let them form a club." So this set me thinking, and I was selected 5 people from different walks of life, 2 ladies who worked in a bank, 1 gentleman from the public sector unit, 1 gentleman who was working in a provision store, and 1 lady who was a lecturer in a college. So here I am going to interview them one by one on today's topic, that is, do we allow children to pursue their ambitions and find their own wings and fly from home? Or do we put pressure on them to stay home and be with us to look after us in our old age? In this connection, I first give the microphone to Miss Usha, who worked in a bank for 40-50 years?
About 40 years.
Okay, here you go. Miss Usha, what is your opinion on this topic?
I find that today most of the people among our relatives and people in our layout and all, they are all facing this empty net syndrome.
Okay.
But we have to realize that the times have changed. We have to move with the times, and we cannot deny the opportunities to our children for their future. They want to go abroad, they want to earn more, and they want to have more prospects, so we cannot deny. So as far as I feel, we have to maintain our health, pursue our hobbies, socialize with our own age group, and keep ourselves fit and not dependent on others as far as possible.
Excellent.
So I feel that it is not possible on our part to control the children, deny the opportunities for them.
Okay, here's a very broad-minded parent talking. Allow the children to pursue their dreams, Allow them to leave home if necessary. Look after yourselves and try to be healthy and take care of yourselves so that you don't have to depend on anyone. Now we move on to a bank person who has been in the bank for
40.
Miss Shanti Mallar for 40
40
years.
yes.
Well, 40 seems to be a magical number today. Okay, what are your views, Shanti?
My firm opinion is that as parents, our duty is to see that we bring them up very well, good upbringing, and allow them to select what they want to be. And our aim is to see that they settle in their life and never ever look back and say that our parents controlled us.
Excellent.
So that is how we also practice the same thing. And my children are abroad, but in spirit they are with me always.
Wonderful.
So I never feel that when we do something for them, we expect something. I've never expected anything from them. But maybe our upbringing was such that they're there for me any time of the day. Anytime I need them, they are within 48 hours. They reach me.
So you feel it's not necessary
So
they
it
have
is-
to be
it
with
is-
you 24 hours.
No.
Yes.
We have made ourselves in such a way that we are self-sufficient, and we see that nobody can say about one's health. We are insured, and we have our own age group friends, and so we form our own group, and we are looking after each
You
other.
have your own life, so
Yes,
to speak.
Of course.
Yes, that's
So I
excellent.
have the firm view that give them wings, and they,
ಹೌದು.
whenever required, they come back to the nest
ಆಗ್ಲಿ,
without
ಆಗ್ಲಿ.
any.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯೂಸ್. I think we are two four children leaving the nest. Let's move on to Mr. Vasant Kumar BS. Before how many years, Mr. Vasant?
I'm almost 30 years.
30 years. He's been there for 30 years. So we'll have a point of view from him.
Yes, I agree. Now the present generation, the parents, they want their children to study and go abroad and to
Okay.
get a good name, fame and all that to do.
Okay.
So this is the ambition of each and every parent. So I am for that. So let them go, let them enjoy whatever they want. We have to give them freedom. So it is their ambition. They have to pursue
Yes.
whatever they want. So it is for
So what
them.
is your view 10 years or 15, 20 years from now when you are not able to...
First thing, I don't want to depend on any of them. So
Okay.
I got my own resources. I can do my own this thing. I can live my life without any problem.
Yeah.
So
What
this is
if you have to depend on someone?
No, not now. At present, say I got all insurance. I got all the
Yeah,
facilities
I'm
from
talking
our.
20 years from now. What do you call it? Some
Plan.
Some plan.
For I have not thought of any future plan. This thing and all.
Okay, you take one day at a time. Am I
Yes.
right?
Yes,
Excellent,
yes, I'm living
excellent.
peaceful. I'm enjoying the life.
Okay, I'm just waiting.
And, every day I'm in touch with my children, grandchildren, so that's how I'm enjoying.
But the world is a very small place
Yes,
now. You
yes,
have the
with the
video
technology.
cam and
Yes,
the-
yes, daily I
all
have-
kinds of
Yes.
means of communication.
Talk to them.
I'm just waiting to see if there's any one person who feels that children should be at home, take care of their parents, and be there when we need them. Mr. Prasad, your turn. Ran a
ನಾನು
provision.
ಹೇಳೋದೇನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೇಡ ಮರಿನೂ ಬೇಡ, ಆ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದಾನೇ ಬದುಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ಇವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ದುಡ್ಡು ಒಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಡೆದೋಯ್ತು, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇ ಬದುಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯತ್ವ ಅನ್ನೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಾತ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹತ್ರ ಬೆಳೆದಂಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಳೆದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ತಾತ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅನ್ನಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬರಲ್ಲ.
I see your point. I see your point.
ಯಾರು ತಾತ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹತ್ರ ಬೆಳೆದಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಾತ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ನೋಡ್ ಕಲಿತಾರೆ ಹೊರತು ಬೇರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕಲೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರು, ನಮ್ಮ
ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರ್,
values.
ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್
Yeah.
ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ.
ಅದು ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. Do we know whether the children think of us like
Yes,
that?
100% children who has come up with grandfather and they knows who not come across with the grandfather, grandmother, only parents. They never realize anything.
Okay. Okay.
ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ರೇನೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೆಲೆ.
Okay.
ಒಂದು
Okay,
ಕೋಳಿ
I-
ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ.
Excellent. Okay. I see your point too. That's one person who feels that children should be with the elderly parents, take care of their needs, keep them company, allow their children to grow in the company of grandparents who will instill old values and the culture in them. And well, that's another way of looking at it. I agree with that, and I agree with this. I think I'm sitting on the fence at the moment. We'll move on to Miss Prafula, who worked as a lecturer in a famous college. So we'll have her point of view.
No, I agree that when children are not with us, we may miss them, we feel bad. But the scenario has changed. And as others, Mr. Prasad mentioned that only when you have pension and when you have insurance and all, you are safe. But even if you don't have money, children will definitely take care of you because they are earning well. They will send you the money. They will. It's not necessary that every parent should have enough dough to last. To look after them. Then I see present scenario has changed. So now if your children say obviously when opportunities are there, they will go in search of green pastures. So we can't prevent them from doing that.
Absolutely.
So actually we should feel proud and happy that not only financially, don't think that everybody goes abroad just to earn dollars only.
Correct.
Even professional wise, they can
Yes.
prosper, they achieve something, they will have that job satisfaction
Right.
other than the money. Here also now the opportunities are there.
Yeah.
It is-
Prafula, let me bring me back to the topic. We're not just talking about children going abroad. We're talking about children not being there at home.
No,
They
that's what I'm
could be
saying.
in
See,
Timbuktu, they could be in Malleshwaram, and we could be in Koramangala, whatever. Do you feel that children should be there 24/7 to look after the parents, give them company in their old age? Or do you feel that it's okay to live separately?
Yeah.
And
It's not necessary that they should go abroad only.
Yeah.
Even in India, they can be in some.
I will accept
other
that
place,
also.
So
absolutely.
Because
see,
immediately they will come.
ultimately the end product is
See,
we are
even
not
if
living
they are
with our
staying with the
children.
parents, sometimes
is no
due to
guarantee.
generation gap,
Yeah.
there is a lot of conflict.
Yeah.
Give liberty to them, and you have your
Yes.
space also.
No, lastly, one sentence I want to say that we have to inculcate when we bring them, we have to inculcate the social values.
Right.
Don't expect anything from them.
Yes.
Then we have to take care of it. We should use our wisdom.
I agree.
And we should take care of them. And then
Yeah.
what is in store for us, nobody can say that.
Yeah. I
But
also
I-
feel that even if you are in the same house, in the same thing, you can be lonely. You can be lonely.
Yeah, that is very
You know,
much
there
true.
may be 10 people in
People
the house.
around
If
you.
nobody
Still
wants
you
to
can
talk
be
to you,
lonely.
you are a lone person. You know.
When they are
In
abroad
fact,
also, you can talk to them every day. And
Yes.
they
Yes.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
It
Still
all
be in
depends
good
on the relationship that you have.
Weather
How
type
you
is not
bring
coming
them up
there.
and how you
Touch is not
values
coming.
are,
Yes.
Only you see the faces
Now,
of the
with
screen.
the addiction to social media, all the time they will be on the mobile only. Even
Yes.
if they
They
are
If
not
they are
together.
together.
Don't
Even
have-
if
I
they are
feel we
together.
have to
madam.
adapt to the
They have
changing
all the
needs.
time for
You just-
friends, but no time for friends.
Good.
Highly controversial topic.
It
and
is.
suddenly
I
a hot
agree.
topic to
I agree.
discuss.
It's a very there's as many opinions as there are people.
When there are five,
Yeah.
7 opinions.
So let's wind up by saying there are two sides to the coin, and we have to work out things as we feel fit. Bye bye, Bangalore. Topic for today.
ಕೇಳುಗರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹಿರಿಯರು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಖಂಡಿತ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮುಗಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೇಳುಗರೆ, ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯನ್ನು ತೆರೆದಿದೆ. ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟವರು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಹಾಯ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನೂನು ವಿಚಾರಗಳಿಗೆ, ಆಪ್ತ ಸಮಾಲೋಚನೆಗೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಇತರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯ ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 145667. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರು ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 14567. ಈ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 8ರಿಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿ 8 ತನಕ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.